School, and this is class 6, chapter number 4, PowerPoint. See, today we will learn more about PowerPoint. So let's have a look how to start MS PowerPoint. For starting MS PowerPoint, click on Start button. When we click on Start button, a Start menu list bar will display on the left side of the monitor. After that, click on PowerPoint. See, when we click on PowerPoint, PowerPoint window will display. This area is called as taskbar. Taskbar area is used to see the document name and saved file name. By this tab, we can close the window. By this tab, we can restore down. By this tab, we can minimize the window. This area is called Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar contains Undo, Redo and Save button. This one is Office button. Through Office button, we can save. See, the new option is used to take new page or new file. Open option is used to open the saved file. Save option is used to save the current file. Save as option is used to save the saved file by another name by another on another area. Print option is used to print the current file, and we can see the print preview of the file also. Prepare option is used to prepare the document for the distribution. Send option is used to send the file by the email or internet fax. Publish option is used to distribute the document to other people. Close option is used to close the current file. Okay, let's start. Today I will let you know about object and photo album. So let's start. For creating photo album, click on Insert tab. When we click on Insert tab, all the option of Insert tab will display on the ribbon bar. After then, click on Photo. When we click on Photo, drop down list will display. After then, click on New Photo Album. New Photo Album. When we click on that option, a dialog box window will display on the monitor screen. After then, File Disk. Click on File Disk. When we click over here, a new dialog box window will display in which lots of pictures are present. If you want to photo album, then you have to take lots of pictures. So that select the picture, click on any one picture. After that, press the control key of the keyboard, then drag, click over there whichever picture you want to insert. After that, click on Insert option. See, when we click on Insert option, all the picture's name will show in the picture in album box, and picture will show in the preview box. We can see it also like this. If you want to change, then you can change it also. If you want to change the selected picture, then select the picture. After then click over there, and that picture will get removed. After then, click on Create option. When we click over here, all the picture will insert it, and that will appear on the slide pane. See, first slide also always called is slide title slide. So album, photo album is the default. Next, okay, and we can see the preview by clicking on slideshow. After then, from beginning, and we can see all the pictures on slides. After that, let's take new thing. Another thing that insert. Click on Insert tab. Click on Object. Object option is used to insert the another file on the current window. Click on Create from File. Click on Browse. When we click over here, our dialog box window will display. Take any file, which file you want. After then click on OK button. Then click on OK button. That file will get inserted in the current slide. if you got properly. Let's do once again. Click on object option. Select any file from browse, document. Suppose I want to insert this file on the PowerPoint, then select that file, click on OK, then click on OK. That file will get inserted. See, you all can see that over here. See, like this. If you want to insert any other file, this process is also called as linking. See, if you have any comments or query, then drop that in the comment box. Thank you.